Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing my April sketchbook tour. I started a new sketchbook this month, which is exciting. The sketchbook that I used previously was this one. I started it in January. It's the smallest size of the Canon mixed media. I'm not sure what the exact dimensions of it are, but I finished this one towards the very end. And then I started a new one on my birthday actually, which was exciting. I don't know if these pages are dated. I think it starts with the bunny. Here's a bunny. This is gouache. I couldn't figure out what his front paw was supposed to look like, so I just painted some grass. Good strategy. Here's just a doodle of a girl, some little thumbnails for landscapes that I painted, and then a quick sketchy landscape. This is actually April 1st, so that must have been from the end of May, or the end of March. Some little people. I like this, how there's like a gradient cross. These are just some doodles. I got the Jane Davenport Glitzy palette for my birthday from my grandma, so that's just swatching it out. And then this is a swatch of all my watercolors I currently have in like my big student or like crafty watercolor tin. And that's the end. These are just some notes when I was buying some paint. And that's that. The front of the sketchbook has some stickers from Lee Alexson. These are from my pen pal Maria, and this is from, I don't remember actually which artist that's from, but I'll put it in the description if I remember. Now moving on to this sketchbook. This is my favorite size of the Canon mixed media. It's like a 10 by 8 maybe. It's a little smaller than a letter sheet of paper. Here's just a doodle. This is a painting I did with some new acrylic paints. They're just some cheaper acrylic paints I got for my birthday. And it's just like a landscape type thing, I guess. I really like this one actually. Those are my Mission Gold paints, and this is a little drawing I did with some vintage watercolors I have. This is my Daniel Smith mixing set that I got for my birthday. I don't usually use, I wouldn't use those paints in this sketchbook. I use them on my better paper, but I tested it out in here. Here's some doodles I did. I used the Mission Gold watercolors to color these in just to get some practice with them before I set them aside. This page I'm talking about. These are some doodles I did as well, but not watercolor. Some little people. I used a blue colored pencil for this, and you'll see there's a lot of colored pencil sketching in this book because I've been enjoying that a lot more since it doesn't smear when you close the book as opposed to mechanical pencil. I like this little house. There's a lot of just tiny little doodles in here that I like. Also, I know this camera angle isn't the best. I'll try to get a better one next time, but this is how I made it work. Let me see if I can get a close-up on this one, because I really, really like it. That's in that same blue colored pencil. These are two unfinished things because I don't like either of them. This is the first landscape I tried doing. This is acrylic, and this one looks really messy and childish. So then I did this one, which is a little better. I also watered down the paint for this one, so it's more smooth. I like the texture of this one better, but it was too thick to work with, so I added water. As I said, a lot of these recent pages are just doodles because I've been really busy with school and haven't had time to just sit properly and draw. These are some of my favorite artists. And then we're nearing the end. This is a watercolor landscape I did. I don't really like that one as much, but I like the little sepia ones over here. And then finally we have this orange doodle page. I really like this. I did that last night, actually. And then we have, that's not finished because I did it last night. And on here we have some little taped sketches, or not concept art, like maps. This one's kind of concept art for Disney rides that I was going to like use as inspiration for a future drawing in here. And we'll have to come back to see that next month in my May sketchbook flip through. I do these every month if you haven't caught on already. And I'm a little bit like sick right now, so I haven't provided as much commentary as I would like, but hopefully you liked it anyway, and I'll see you next time. Bye!